Guys, what's going on? My name is Louis, and God bless every single one of you. Today is September 11, 2023, and welcome to the Grand Supreme News channel. Alright guys, so we have some breaking news updates, some very important information coming out. If you can, please share the video. And it says here, numerous MGM hotels and casinos are facing ongoing cybersecurity crisis, severely impacting multiple services, including slot machines. Once again, this is happening in Las Vegas, Nevada. And what's going on in Las Vegas? You guys already know there's been a lot of stuff going on, flooding and the Burning Man, and now we are seeing casinos are getting hit really bad. Let me just read this part really quick, and I will play the video. Numerous MGM resorts, a well-known hotel, and casino company are currently experiencing an ongoing outage due to cybersecurity issues. Once again, at its Las Vegas, Nevada properties. Now, this incident has had a significant impact on various services within MGM's Las Vegas casino, including ATM machines. Once again, and slot machines. And some restaurants, furthermore, guests are unable to charge expenses to their rooms or use their digital room keys or use any ATM machines. They stuck. They are stuck. It's like Burning Man spirit is still around there, that evil spirit. Oh man, so they can't get cash. They can't go to their rooms because the card ID is not working properly. No slot machines. I mean, the only thing they could do is play what, blackjack? ATM is down, credit cards down. I mean, I wouldn't say credit cards down, but I'm talking about the system that takes the credit card, that's down. So this is why I tell people, get your cash. I mean, have some cash put away. Don't put all your money in the BANK, because stuff like this is gonna hit the fan. So it's worth noting that this cyber issue has not only affected MGM's Las Vegas property, but also appears to have impacted all of the company's locations, including regional resorts like MGM Springfield, MGM National Harbor, and the Empire City Casino. Alright guys, before I start, give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, families, or loved ones. I appreciate the love and support. And for those of you that want to contribute to the channel, once again, the PayPal link and the Patreon link is in the description box. Also, guys, $1 a month Patreon will get you access to our live stream every Sunday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Louis Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. All right, Las Vegas, Nevada. Man, you guys are getting hit. You guys are getting hit really hard. This here should be a wake-up call. Let me just set up the audio so you guys can hear this person. But man, this is not good news. Not good news.
So not only are the ATMs broken since yesterday at Aria, look at this. All the slot machines, guys. All the slot machines are down. Believe it? There's a few that are still operating, but I think you can't cash out. Anyways, probably Aria got hacked. Look at this. Crazy. All right, time for some blackjack.
All right. So let me just pull up the article and see what's going on with this story here, guys. But again, ATM, everything's down. Let me go with this one here. CBS just recently put an update. Cybersecurity issues forces shutdown of computer system at MGM hotels and casino. Man, that's not the first time I'm hearing shutdown. There was a shutdown Burning Man. And so computer system owned by MGM Resort International are down Monday, following what the company described as cybersecurity issue at its casinos and hotels. So the incident began Sunday and impacted reservation system and casino floors in Las Vegas, as well as Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Mississippi, New Jersey, New York, and Ohio. Yikes! It's not only Las Vegas. You kind of think about it, this is basically all LEFT states. Almost all of them are LEFT states. How's that? Give me a second here. All right, so you have Nevada, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Mississippi, New Jersey, New York, and Ohio. 8 states impacted. Do not go to MGM resorts and National Harbor computer system are down, and is, I'm gonna skip that word, and the parents' guests at the resort posted on X, basically saying this is like the 2020 event shutdown. MGM Resorts didn't immediately respond to a request for comment on Monday. Oh, hold on, give me a second here. So he's like, get your act together to MGM Rewards and all them. Damn. The matter of the issue was not described, but the statement said efforts to protect data involved shutting down certain system. Now the website for, you know what, in the area in Las Vegas, as well as the Borgata, a casino in the Atlantic City, New Jersey, and Rivage Casino and Hotel in Mississippi were down Monday afternoon. MGM said it's continuing to investigate what led to this event. The company has tens of thousands of hotel rooms in Las Vegas at property, including the MGM Grand. I'm gonna skip that one. And New York Park MGM. And we're gonna skip the rest of that. So, guys, people are being impacted right now. These people that pay money to go there, they can't even go to their hotel rooms. The door won't open up. And they stuck in a casino. Restaurants, I guess they might be giving out free food, who knows? But cash is better. Cash is better. Give me a second here. Let me just refresh this page. I've been telling people, get money out the bank and put some away in your house. Can you imagine winning at a game and this happens? Man. Imagine winning millions on a slot, then it crashed. Yikes for that person. Hopefully this will stop people from gambling. This event saved many people money. I agree. Too funny. I just spent the last 7 days in Las Vegas at a cyber conference. They would lose a lot of money on this, but the billionaire who owns MGM will still be a billionaire after the damages, and the company will be fine. Hard to feel bad for the billionaires that oversees the Vegas gambling industry. I want to say, who cares? They've been ripping people off for decades. Or again, you decide to go there. You taking that risk. You taking your hard working money. You know that a lot of this stuff here, it's not 100% legit. Just like all these Texas Hold'em. And I'm good when it comes to playing Texas Hold'em. I could tell there's some, counting cards going on there. Imagine being locked out of your hotel room. Yeah, a lot of people not pleased. I don't know how this isn't a huge story. It is a huge story. To be honest, it is a huge story. This will be breaking news worldwide. You know what's breaking news? Mr. Burns is in Alaska giving the 9/11 anniversary speech. I'm like, what are you doing way out there? Ain't you supposed to be in the Big Apple? Man, it's a Twilight Zone. It's a Twilight Zone. I bet the CC is the program here. I'm referring to this one, guys. Oh man. 8 states impacted. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find more stuff here. There's probably some people just posting videos. There's a possibility maybe the Wi-Fi is down too. I was thinking the same way. I mean, I was thinking the same thing too. But again, MGM, they have multiple casino in different states, so they probably use the same system, and they all got hit, all of them across the country. So, man, just one thing after another. MGM. Las Vegas casino, hotels across the sleeping giant hit by a cyber. So here's the thing. Hotels, ATM machines inside the MGM resort, restaurants, and slot machines got hit really hard. Those are the 4 issues right now. And it's happening across the country. You have multiple states. The big one is Las Vegas, and then you have New Jersey, which is Atlantic City casino, and then you have New York and Mississippi, Michigan, Ohio, and all of them. Give me a second. Cyber security issue prompts computer shutdown. Okay, we already know that. MGM properties hit hard today. Once again, guests locked out of rooms. Reservation system down. ATM not working. Both the FB Blank and Nevada Gaming Control Board investigating are involved. They probably, I mean, those that did this, they probably want some ransom of crypto. Who knows? But I would keep you updated on this story. But again, pray for those people. Here's the thing. You go to these abomination places because, believe it or not, this is an abomination. Now, when I was young, before my BC time, I loved going to the casino because, again, I just like walking around. I like the noise. I like the sound of the machine. But again, I don't sit down and, slot and all that. I used to, but not anymore. But I like going to like tournaments when it comes to Texas Hold'em. Now I don't play and I don't gamble my money on that, but WSOP and stuff like that. I mean, playing cards and dominoes and stuff is you know, always one of my things, a hobby. But again, like I said, I don't put money into it. If I did, I'd be rich. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna keep you updated on this one here. As of right now, a lot of people are not pleased, and many of these people can't even get into their rooms because those doors is all run by electric. And this is why I say old school is better. Everybody's jumping from V8, American Muscle, all the way to Tesla, because eventually Tesla will, well, you're gonna see what's gonna happen in the future. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, for those of you that want to give your life to Christ, you can email me. My email is in the description box. Me and my wife are here to help many and to lead many to the righteous path, and that's the path of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Louis Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. Once again, guys, $1 a month Patreon will get you access to our live stream every Sunday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Give your life to Jesus Christ and get baptized. We are living in tough times. Till next time later. Peace.